In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view your notification history on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to locate the settings app on your phone. So if I just swipe up at the bottom left hand corner, it says settings. I'll tap on settings. Once you're on your settings page, you want to tap where it says notifications right over here. And we're just about to turn on the setting that allows you to view your notification history. So scroll down a bit till you find advanced settings right over here. And then roundabout at the top of the page, it says notification history. You want to tap on that. And mine is currently off. So what you need to do is toggle that on. And whenever you get a notification on your phone and you accidentally clear it, you can come back to this page. So if you go out of here again, it's very easy to get back. Tap on notifications, tap on advanced settings, tap on notification history, and all your notifications will be shown here, so you can view them even if you cleared the notification in your notification panel. So that is how you view your notification history on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.